Yeah, buddy, ready to get her ripped up?
Yes, sir. So two-stage mapping, so you switch it and it advances the timing a little bit to make it track a little bit better.
What an absolutely beautiful fall day. It was nice and cool this morning. When I get there early enough, I like to get the drone out and capture some footage. Here's my neighbor Craig on his quad popping some wheelies. Fortunately, the ride didn't get off to a great start. You see that little hill? Well, we didn't all make it up there. Zach wound up whiskey throttling and flipped his bike out, actually broke the shifter lever and bent up the clutch. I got stuck halfway up and had to slide back down. Unfortunately, I didn't grab any footage of that yet because it was still early on in the day. Joining us today, Craig, my neighbor on his quad, Rob on his new Sherco, Zach, a newer rider, one of Rob's co-workers, and Rick on his YZ, and Sam on his KTM.
Nice. Dude, I love my bike. I don't think I want to do anything to it right now. I said I love my bike. I don't think I want to do anything to it right now. It's just like a glove, you know, you get so used to things. And he's just changing his mapping. Huh? He's just changing his mapping. Woo, that was a wreck. I threw it last time and it was pretty deep. Rick went right through it. Yeah. You can. Craig's not going to be able to keep up, but Craig on the quad. Sorry. No. We're coming back. Everybody's right in line behind you, so we're good. Oh, we got another quad coming. Stop. Go. Thanks, man.
You know, Rob got this new Sherco, and I'm glad he's really enjoying this bike. He says it's got a ton more power, and if there's something that I'm learning during this time of COVID and lockdown, it's that, you know, sometimes people have grief for the things that they've lost during this season of life, loss of the future, and some people loss of hope. But I tell you, being present in the moment, there's no way to get there other than doing the things that you love. For me, dirt biking is one of the ways to get locked into the present, to really enjoy the creation, the beauty that God created, these trails, the friends I'm making. And I'm glad Rob's enjoying his bike because, hey, there's no time like the present to get out there, do what you love. So thanks for watching. Don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Let me know what you think.